This is a tutorial on using puffy paint to add glitter. So you'll need a baked Freshie, you'll need some puffy paint, and then you'll also need glitter. I'm going to go through and add in the details with my Sharpie paint pen before adding glitter, because then I don't have to try to paint over the glitter afterwards. You could add the details at the end, but I just prefer to do it first. It really doesn't matter. You can also use Mod Podge to get your glitter to stick. I have found that I like puffy paint because then it gives it a thicker look. So I'll put some links in the notes. Really, any kind of puffy paint works. I've used other brands as well. And then the glitter that I got, this I just ordered directly from China, but there's some really good glitter companies out there too if you would rather support from someone local. I've bought from both, and I really haven't found much of a difference. So here's my puffy paint and then the glitter that I'm going to use today. So the first thing you want to do is you need to go through and you need to add puffy paint to anywhere that you want to have glitter. So I like to start with the glasses. Again, it just really does not matter. As long as anywhere you want glitter to stick has that paint. So I'm just going to go through and paint all of those areas. And then again, anywhere that you don't want glitter, you'll want to make sure that you don't have paint. So I really like the Tulip Slick paint because it has the thin tips on the bottles. That really helps make sure that I'm not getting puffy paint in places where I don't want it. So here you can see I've got puffy paint in all the sections. I just touched up a couple spots, and then now I'm ready to add glitter. So here you just dump it on. Just make sure every single section of puffy paint is completely covered in glitter. So I'm just dumping and dumping and dumping, and then you'll get the rest of it back after. Now you want to really carefully tap off that glitter. If you tap too hard, your puffy paint is going to move. So I don't try very hard to get a lot off at this point. Then you can put the extra glitter back in the bottle. My paper towel was a little too small. I probably should have grabbed something bigger. But then you need to let it dry completely. So once it's all dried, then you'll go through with a toothbrush, literally the cheapest toothbrush you can find. And you'll just go through and you'll want to brush off all the extra glitter. You can brush pretty hard because this glitter is stuck on. I go side to side and then I like to turn it and go up and down to make sure that I get all of the glitter out. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. I would love to see your creations. I help admin a Car Freshie Facebook group, which I'll post in the links or in the notes. And then I would also love it if you would subscribe so that you can get notified when I post other tutorials.